Hello everyone. To publish picture into PGM, click this. Click plus icon and add your image. Inside here, already built in a lot of image for you to select, such as sports, business, education, and so on. You can import your own image into here, My Picture. Select the image you want and confirm. You can drag to the position you want, increase the size, decrease, or reset to original size. After you're done, you can upload to PGM by click this button. To remove, click the PGM button again. You can edit the image here. After that, confirm. It will save the changes. To delete the image, select the image and click this delete button. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.